Namaste. Hi, myself Nikhil Tiwari. Today we will learn the second lesson of the flute tutorials in English. Hope you are doing good and you have completed the first lesson, which is the blowing. And if you're getting a good sound and a steady sound for 10 to 15 seconds, then you are doing good and you can go for the next exercises. Like this one was the first exercise. The finger technique which I will tell you is applied for every flute. It can be small or it can be big. This I am using a A bass flute. Okay, so you can apply the same procedure in C sharp also. So if you are getting this sound and every time a clear sound, then you are good to go for the next exercise. So here is the next exercise. What you have to do if the sound is coming good, we will denote it by numbers first, so you will able to understand easily. Okay, so it is we will denote it as 0, and if you close one hole then it will be 1, and when we close two of the holes it will be 2, and when we close three holes then it will be 3. So 0 equal to ma tivra. You have to write ma and a sign of slash above ma. Then when you hold this one, the first one close, it called ga, and the second one also close, 1 and 2 close, then it will be re, and all the holes like 1 2 3 close, then it will be sa. So these sa, re, ga, ma are medium notes. So 0 1 2 3 are medium notes. So we will learn ma, ga, re, sa today. So how we will go forward, you have to see and you analyze this, because if single leakage in your hole, then the sound will not come. So it's a very important step, you don't skip it. Do the first hole, how we will close it. There are 3 notes in our that fingers, like the 1 2 and 3. The second part, the flat part between the first and the second note, you have to close it from here. The hole, the first hole, you have to close it from here, and the thumbs should be at the side of the flute, pressing towards your sweet point, like this. You are pressing towards the sweet point which we have registered in the first step, in the first episode. So second step is that you have to press it towards your sweet point, and this should be straight, not like this. The finger should be straight and little bit slanted downwards. So this will be what you have to do. After you getting the position, just take a deep breath. At least try for 5 minutes. If anywhere you are leaking, the sound will come like this, then it is wrong. If you are leaking somewhere, you just open this finger and play this, but you have to play like this now. Don't play like this. Then now you have to hold it like this. So whenever you start with 5 minutes of blowing the ma hole, then go for ga. Take a deep breath. When you are satisfied with this hole, that this hole is also coming, the ga part is also coming, every time you can move to the next hole, which is re. We have to close both of the holes, and this hand you can just put it somewhere, anywhere here to hold it, because we will learn this fingers technique in the next episode. So this need to worry, you can just do like this, you can hold it like this to get a support. Okay, so the position will be like this. The ray will come, the same position you are doing in the first one, the same you have to follow in the second one as well. So both the close will be ray and the fingers little bit slanted, right? So again you have to do the same procedure. And whenever you play, you have to follow the same sound of re. You have to keep that in mind, that you are saying re at the same time while blowing it. Okay, if any sound, hissing sound is coming or any bad sound is coming, see that you are leaking somewhere. You will leak somewhere. So then you have to go one note above. First check ga. If the ga is coming, then go to re. So any mistake you are doing, you have to go one note above. If ga is not coming, you have to go to ma and check ma. If ma is coming like 2-3 times, you play then go to ga. Ga is also coming after 5 minutes, then go to re. So after maintaining a 10-second blow in re, you can go to sa. A sa will be little bit, you have to keep this in mind, that sa, when you go, it will be above the first note on the tip, like here. You have to put the flat portion. Both first, second, we are doing between the first and the second note, but here we will do above the first note. So sa will be like this, and it will be slanted, okay? And if any leakage will be there, sa will not come. Remember this. The sound will be like this. If the proper sound will come when you will close the fingers correctly. Don't press it very hard, then the problem leakage will be there. Just give your weight towards your sweet point with the thumb, so it will be equally distributed. Okay. So again you have to take deep breath. So you have to do around 10 to 12 seconds in this sa hole. So likely you have learned like 0, 1, 2, 3, which is ma, ga, re, sa. Each note you have to give at least 5 minutes. Ma 5 minutes, ga 5 minutes, re and sa. Don't do any finger exercises for 3 to 4 days. Afterward we will get to the next episode, which will be the finger exercises in these notes. First we have to get a good sound and a steady sound. Like if we are playing piano, we press a button, every time there is a sound. Same way in the flute, whenever we blow, there should be a sound. This sound will be not good. Every time a clear sound will be there. If this comes, then you are eligible for the next exercises, which are the finger practices. Every time, like 20 times you are blowing, 20 times should the same sound come. And don't do this mistake. If you are doing one note, don't switch the flute every time here and now. Okay, so what you have to do? When you achieve this position, you should blow it at least 10 to 20 times. Then you take a break. Okay, so the holding is very important. It should be like this, and you should be relaxed, and the neck and the body posture should be straight, and you should be very relaxed while playing. So main point is that every time the sound should come. Finger is the next step. People always hurry when they achieve a sound, they go to the finger movement. That is wrong. Get a correct sound every time. Like you're playing 20 times, you should get a sound every time. So this is the best way to start flute, and be patient. You will achieve this. So now I am ending my video. So I think you have learned the Ma Ga Re Sa properly. If any doubt still, you can just comment us. Thank you. Namaste.